So guys, today I will show you how to read on WEBTOON. So just follow this video till the end. So as you know, reading on WEBTOON is very easy. So as I will tell you now. So this is the homepage of WEBTOON. I will choose a series. I don't know this one, but maybe guys you will see just a black screen. I will just tell you a process. For example, I will choose one from this episode. For example, this I will click and it's loading. And you just have to scroll the list. If you are seeing right now like a black list or black screen, it's it's of the privacy of WEBTOON. So when you click, as I told you, you just have to scroll the list and then you can read, and that's all. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe,